and it's on there, and it's good. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick review and quick unboxing of this LED bathroom mirror, and so you can see how it comes in to make sure that your product arrives safe and sound. I'm just gonna do this unboxing. With a lot of mirrors, they show up and sometimes they're broken or pieces are not included that you need. So this way I can show here that they provide when they send your mirror. So that's how the mirror comes in box. And it seems like this is the back side of it. The styrofoam is included, and I'll lean it forward to see if I can just, when you pull up, that styrofoam keeps it in place at the top, and I won't remove the styrofoam from the bottom. I'll just turn it around so you can see the front of it. Let that drop off and pull that off. And then there's more styrofoam at the bottom. But as you can see, this is the mirror right here. And now I'm going to install it. See the wall? Those are the brackets up there. And it's on there, and it's good. I just put the brackets in there, just put it up on the wall. And as you can see, I have it settled in. I'm gonna plug it in right behind here. And I plugged it in there. And now I'm gonna turn it on and let you see it on. And there we go. Have all this dust on me. You get a little bit of dust on you when you're putting it up. But as you can see, it's situated. Now you can slide it left and right on the brackets to position it where you want to put it. And if you want to see even closer, all in all, that's the mirror. I'll let you see it close up. You got that there. We have the defroster, you have the power it on and off. And that is a quality mirror right there. Check that out.